The premium WPO 365 mail extension adds a number of important and handy features to the basic set of email features already offered by both the WPO 365 login and Microsoft Graph Mailer plugins that are available for free from the WordPress plugins directory. Let me highlight some of these features. Let's now look at a couple of features that help to improve the reliability of WPO 365 sending emails using Microsoft Graph. Is it not reliable then? Well, it depends. WPO 365 is using the built-in WordPress API to build a connection to Microsoft Graph. And WordPress in turn uses curl to build up this connection. And on occasions, that connection may fail. It may time out. More often than not, you will see this happening when your website is using shared hosting capacity. In those cases, you will see an error message in the log that a curl error 28 occurred and the operation timed out after, for example, 15 seconds. There's not much you can do about that other than moving your website to a different hosting platform. But WPO 365 can also help. First of all, it can audit any emails that it attempted to send. And if an email failed to send, it can try and resend that email after 1 hour, after 4 hours, after 6 hours. Well, actually, that's configurable. Let's return to WordPress admin to the WPO 365 mail configuration page, and let's see what it takes to enable the mail audit function. In this case, I can scroll down and I find a separate section for mail audit. And I can here log all emails sent. But this is a premium function, and if I click for details, I can see what extension or bundle would unlock this for me. I would quickly head over to plugins and I would click to add a new plugin, and I will upload the premium extension from my local PC. There is a different video that explains you exactly how you can download a premium plugin that you purchased from our website. I'll click to install and activate the plugin. And as soon as I've done that, I can also see that I have a licenses menu, and I quickly will go there and paste my license key and activate the license. And now return to WPO 365, and now I can see that all the premium options have been unlocked. I scroll down again to the mail audit section, and now I can check the option to log all emails sent. And when I do that, I immediately see that I get a new link here to view the logs. But I haven't sent an email yet after I enable this function. So let's first send a test email. Let's send a test email to demo@wpo365.com and click Save Configuration and send a test email. You can see that the email was sent successfully, and I would like to confirm that by looking at the mail audit log. So I click the link to view the logs. And I can see that the email has been logged and was also sent successfully. If the email, for some reason, would not have been sent successfully, then I can also manually decide now to send it again by simply clicking Send Again. If I close the log and I return to the mail configuration page and I scroll down, then I can also see that I have another option available to me, namely to resend failed emails automatically. If I toggle that option, I will first of all see a warning that for this feature to work reliable, it's important that your WordPress cron jobs are running frequently. There's a separate article and tutorial on how you can achieve that. Let's quickly click the link, and here you can see that there is a documentation that explains you what measures you can implement to ensure that your WordPress cron jobs are executed in a timely fashion. Let's return to WordPress and let's confirm that we have put these measures in place, that we have ensured that our WordPress cron is running continuously. And as soon as I've enabled this functionality, I can see that the plugin will attempt to send a mail that initially failed to send up to 3 times. After 1 hour, after 2 hours, and after 4 hours. And this is each time the interval between the attempts. And you can, of course, manually update these values. These are seconds, so if you say I want to try it after 1 minute, then you can say I try it after 60 seconds. If you say I want to try it after 5 minutes again, then you would enter 300 here. So you can update as you see fit. And now I click to save the configuration. So with this configuration in place, I can rest assured that emails from my WordPress website with a very high probability will be sent successfully. There's one more option that I would like to show for this moment. And that is that I can now also enable a mail staging mode. And let's do that. And if I enable that, I receive a warning that emails are no longer sent using Microsoft Graph, but instead they will only be logged. So I confirm that I understand what I'm doing here. And when mail staging is enabled, I first of all see a warning in my WordPress admin top bar. And if I scroll down, I can also see that all the other options are actually now disabled. If I now would send a test email, again to demo@wpo365.com, and I would save the configuration and send the test email, the plugin basically tells me that it was sent successfully. And if I look at the logs, I can see that it was sent, but it also says it was not really sent because the mail staging mode is active.